Heal arthritis naturally for a pain-free life. Chapter 1. 1.2. Real stories of healing when nothing else helped.
At the very beginning of this book, we want to share the real stories of some of our friends. Their journeys of healing were the inspiration for writing these pages. The stories you'll read here are based on the lives of real people. For privacy, names and locations have been changed, but the fear, the pain, and the relentless search for lasting healing are absolutely true.
Brenda from the USA.
Brenda's life was quietly falling apart. A sharp-minded medical researcher with steady hands, she first noticed an odd ache in her wrists. Then her knees swelled so badly that climbing stairs became unbearable. Within a year, the pain had turned into a constant, throbbing presence, sharp, angry, and unrelenting. Simple chores brought her to tears. Getting dressed took half an hour. She began showing up late to work, making excuses to hide her growing shame. Her once supportive husband started to drift away. Medication dulled the pain for a while, but the damage continued. She lost her job. Her marriage collapsed. Some days she couldn't get out of bed, not because of laziness, but because lifting her body felt impossible. Her laughter disappeared. Her very sense of self slipped away with each swollen finger. It was only when she radically changed her diet, embraced natural detox practices, and committed to daily meditation that a glimmer of hope returned. Years later, Brenda is pain-free, full of energy, and determined never again to live in silence.
Matilda from Great Britain.
At 26, Matilda was vibrant, full of energy, and working as a wedding planner. But she couldn't clasp her hands without pain. Each morning, she woke with aching knuckles and crushing fatigue that felt like drowning. Holding a coffee cup was risky. Driving was terrifying. Dreams of starting a family faded as the illness took over. Friends stopped inviting her out. She declined too often. Her partner tried to help, but resentment simmered. Fights grew frequent. He told her she would never be the same again. Eventually, he left. Doctors prescribed painkillers, but each came with new side effects: nausea, migraines, endless blood tests. Any small improvement was offset by another problem. Worst of all was the uncertainty. Would she be able to walk tomorrow? Would her hands fail her during a presentation? Anxiety, depression, and fear became part of daily life. The breaking point came when she couldn't even open her front door to let the dog out. Tears streamed down her face as her body screamed in pain. That night, she promised herself, "I will find another way." Through gut healing, a plant-based diet, breath work, and emotional release therapy, she found what medicine never gave her: freedom. Today, she lives without pain, paints again, is building a family, and helps others break free from suffering.
Dean from New Jersey, USA.
Dean used to be strong, the one everyone leaned on. But by 35, he had become a shadow of himself. He lost weight uncontrollably, endured stabbing joint pain, battled stomach issues, and felt constant exhaustion. No one could explain it. Some doctors blamed stress, others implied he was exaggerating. He felt invisible. His wife first worried, then grew frustrated, then pulled away. Their marriage cracked under the strain. Work deadlines slipped, his boss sidelined him. Eventually, he lost his job. When the diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis finally came, it felt more like a sentence than an answer. Medications dulled the pain, but never restored him. His spine ached, his hip deteriorated, and he could no longer walk his daughter to school. Relief was temporary. Hopelessness lingered. In desperation, Dean turned to fasting, anti-inflammatory foods, meditation, Ayurvedic practices, and trauma therapy. Slowly, his body began to change. His digestion improved. Inflammation subsided. His bond with his daughter deepened. Though his marriage did not survive, he did. Today, Dean guides others not toward quick fixes, but toward genuine, embodied healing.
Chris from Wisconsin, USA.
Chris had been a rising journalist in downtown Chicago, witty, driven, always on the move. Then rheumatoid arthritis struck like a thief in the night. It began with tingling fingers and unshakable fatigue. Soon her knees stiffened, her shoulders refused to lift a coffee cup. She lost a major assignment. Her boyfriend left. Friends stopped calling. Even socializing felt like torture. Her mother once found her crying in the shower, unable to wash her hair. Her savings drained away on medications and missed work. She tried every prescription available. Some brought short-lived relief, others made her worse. By 29, she was walking with a cane. That winter, full of rage and despair, she realized, if I stay like this, I will die, whether from the disease, the side effects, or the hopelessness swallowing me. So she left. She moved into a crumbling cottage in Wisconsin. There, the land itself became her healer. She grew her own food, breathed fresh air, and relearned to move gently, with gratitude. She gave up processed foods. She meditated with the sunrise. Within a year, her pain was gone, not masked, but gone. Her joints regained flexibility. Her laughter returned. Today, she runs retreats on that same farm, teaching others that sometimes the true medicine isn't in a bottle, it's in the earth.
What these stories reveal.
Each of these people once lived inside walls of unbearable pain. Their lives came to a halt. Relationships with family and friends grew strained or broke apart. Careers they loved were lost. Their very identities felt shattered. Medications offered temporary comfort, but never true healing. They only reclaimed their lives when they made radical changes.
What they did.
Transformed their lifestyles completely. Used food as medicine. Reconnected with nature. Pursued emotional and spiritual healing. Found support, cultivated calm, and refused to give up. Yes, they suffered deeply, but through that suffering, they discovered something priceless, the truth that the body longs to heal, if only we create the space for it. For those who prefer a book version rather than video content, a great resource is the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. It's a full guide with real-life recovery examples, and it's available now on Amazon. The link is in the description below. That's all for this video. More arthritis healing tips and insights are on the way, so stay with us. Don't forget to explore the Arthritis Healing playlist linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep learning. We'll be here next time.